What's going on, everybody? It's a Sunday fun day here in sunny South Florida. We're on the New River right now, outbound, heading for the ocean. Gonna get some sailing in today. We got our friend Peter with us that normally we go jet skiing with, so today he's joined us for some sailing, and we're gonna try to convert him to the dark side. That house, that's the people that started Taco Bell. And look how many boats are over by the bridge.
Out in the ocean?
It's a rental if they want to sink. Yeah.
I mean, that thing's hauling ass.
Yeah.
Should I go faster?
Yeah. If we were on the skis, we would have been out of the water already. Currently about a mile or so off the coast of Port Everglades. Peter, have you ever been on a sailboat before?
No.
First time?
Yes. Very relaxing.
It's the best time to get out here, crack a cold one, sit back and enjoy the beautiful Sunday summer afternoon.
COVID style.
COVID style, yeah.
No, wait. Corona style.
I've been dreaming all night, bringing me some inspiration. Never meant to love no one, but baby, I saw you for a second and I'm happy that you came my way. Don't wanna waste no time without you ever brightening up my day.
Probably 2 or 3 miles west of Fort Lauderdale right now. We can see from downtown Miami into Boca Raton from here, which is pretty awesome. We got great visibility today, which is awesome. We're just kicking back, relaxing, nothing really going on. We got our sails out, chit-chatting and relaxing. So we dropped our jib, reefed her back in, and we're looking for an open mooring ball. And we're gonna tie up there if we can. Cook some lunch on the grill.
You're all I think about sometimes, but baby, I saw you for a second and I'm happy that you came out.
I think I should try my phone again.
No. Not funny.
I'll tell you in a second if it's cold.
Just jump in.
No, it's actually pretty comfortable.
Is it?
No.
It's good?
Yeah, it's not cold. It's very comfortable.
How's it feel?
Good. That feels freaking amazing.
Well, we had a nice dip in the ocean. The waves are just tossing us back and forth, so we got out right before a big yacht was gonna blow right by us. There's no fun to cook on the grill in that water, so we're gonna motor back in, maybe tie up at Esplanade Park and cook some burgers there because we're starved.
Yeah.
Yeah. Grinding that wench is a workout. Look at that. Fort Lauderdale Beach. So they Fort Lauderdale Beach, they're allowed to be on the beach now?
Yeah.
Yeah? Oh. They look like they're all appropriately social distancing.
Oh yeah. Oh, so you want to see that place with the webcam?
Oh yeah, where is that webcam?
We'll actually be up on the webcam here in just a second.
Would we be able to rewind it and watch ourselves?
No.
So what is the webcam?
PortEvergladesWebcam.com, I think is what it is. But you'll see it. I think it's in this condo right here.
That first one?
Yeah.
That one.
Yeah. I think it's on the 3rd or 4th story.
Ah, okay.
Right at the corner. 3rd story. Just hanging from the thing.
Oh!
There's like 7.
Yeah, I see the little cameras, like right there. Below the one with the hurricane shutters up? Yeah.
Let's see how long the delay is. There we are. There we are on the webcam.
Oh, cool. You got you waving?
I don't know.
I guess we're allowed to anchor the sandbar now. It's either that or all the cops are seeing what's going on with the protesting, because I see a helicopter over there in downtown Fort Lauderdale.
Third Avenue, I'm going to see if I can't pull into this dock here by the downtown event. Thank you. Get to the front.
Apparently we're stuck in between Andrews and 3rd Avenue because there's...
Hey, they're fixing to go.
They're letting us go?
Yeah.
Ah. All right. All right. After this, you might be clear. Now the train is down. So we made it through 3rd, and the Fort Lauderdale PD radioed us and said we couldn't cross through Andrews because there's protesting going on right out here at Andrews and Las Olas Boulevard. I think it's called Huizinga Park. So we finally they let a few of us yachts through Andrews Ave, and now the train, the FEC train, is crossing, but you know, so far so good. All is safe.